Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? Think again. Even $100 can be enough to begin your journey toward financial freedom. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing in the US, step by step, with simple tools anyone can use. Here's the problem. Most Americans think investing is only for the rich. They wait years, thinking they need thousands of dollars to get started. Meanwhile, money that could be growing through compound interest just sits in a checking account, doing nothing. The truth is, starting early, even with a small amount, is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Step 1. Choose a beginner-friendly investing app. In the US, apps like Robinhood, Webull, M1 Finance, or SoFi Invest let you start with as little as $1 to $100. They're simple, safe, and perfect for beginners. The key is to pick an app that you feel comfortable with, has low fees, and allows you to invest in diversified options like ETFs. If you want, links to these apps are in the description so you can get started today. Step 2. Decide what to invest in. For beginners, low-cost index funds or ETFs are ideal. Why? Because instead of putting all your money into one stock, these funds spread your investment across hundreds or thousands of companies. This reduces risk while still letting your money grow over time. For example, the S&P 500 ETF includes America's 500 largest companies. So, your $100 gets a small piece of all of them. Step 3. Keep it simple. Start with your $100, then invest regularly, even if it's just $50 per month. This method is called dollar cost averaging, and it protects you from short-term market ups and downs. Over time, consistent contributions can turn even small investments into significant growth thanks to compound interest. Remember, consistency is more important than timing the market. Step 4. Avoid mistakes beginners make. First, don't invest money you might need soon. Emergency savings should come first. Second, avoid risky individual stocks when starting. Focus on diversified ETFs and index funds. Third, don't panic over daily market fluctuations. Investing is a long-term game, and patience is your best friend. Step 5. Be aware of fees and taxes. Most beginner apps are free or very low cost, but some ETFs have expense ratios, usually under 0.1 to 0.5% per year. Also, in the US, investment profits may be taxed as capital gains. Knowing this helps you plan your investments and avoid surprises at tax time. Step 6. If you're saving long-term, consider retirement accounts like a Roth IRA or 401k. These allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, and starting early, even with just $100, can make a huge difference by retirement age. Many beginners don't realize the power of starting small and starting early. Step 7. Track your progress. Use your app to monitor growth, check contributions, and see how your portfolio performs. But remember, avoid obsessing over daily changes. Focus on long-term goals and review your portfolio monthly or quarterly. Adjust your contributions as needed, but don't chase every market trend. Here's the most important thing. Starting small is better than waiting for the perfect moment. Even $100 invested consistently can grow to thousands over time. For example, investing $100 per month in an S&P 500 ETF for 20 years could grow to over $70,000, assuming average market growth. That's the power of time and compounding, even if you start small today. Starting with $100 may seem small, but it's the first step toward financial freedom. Pick an app, invest in diversified funds, stay consistent, and let your money grow. If you want more simple, practical ways to grow your money in the US, subscribe now and hit the bell icon. Every week, I break down investing in personal finance in a way anyone can understand. Thanks for watching.